There's a growing demand for AI-powered automatic mastering services, with many people searching for the best options available. Today, I've decided to review a highly regarded platform for music distribution, one that claims to distribute your music to over 150 stores, including Spotify, YouTube Music, TikTok, and many more. For this demonstration, we'll be mastering a song using the LanDR mastering. I've already downloaded and installed it on my system. Since it's a plugin, it can be used with any music production software. Here, I'll be using FL Studio. Let's get started. Let's drag in our audio file. And drag our LanDR plugin into the mixer. Next, we play the loudest part of the song, allowing the plugin to scan and apply the best mastering settings automatically.
Tragedy. I lose IQ trying to think of you, but you have all of the solutions, right? Tell me how that work out in the. But you have all of the solutions, right? Tell me how that work out in the end. Thank you. No, I'm hating out of gratitude. The world won't be worse without you. California's on fire, but my heart's on fire for Jesus. Hallelujah. Am I right? I love watching ankle biters trying to make it through the body system. But you have all of the solutions, right? Tell me how that.
Once the process is complete, you'll receive optimized settings, but you can still fine-tune them manually if needed. However, in most cases, the best approach is to leave the settings as they are. The only adjustment I recommend is saturation, which enhances all frequencies. Bass, mids, and highs acting as a harmonic exciter to improve clarity. That's enough talking. Let's mix some music.
I'm hating out of gratitude. The world won't be worse without you. California's on fire, but my heart's on fire for Jesus. Hallelujah. Am I right? I love watching ankle biters trying to make it through the body system. Baby. A shithead's a personality. Fire for Jesus, hallelujah. Am I right? I love watching ankle biters trying to make.
Okay, let's try another song.
But you have all of the solutions. They be swinging, gassing on each other like a carnival, melting like a polar ice cap organ, involuntary. Let's go. Operate like being a shithead's a personality. And you think I'm joking cause you're younger than me. So why should I be the only one swallowing? I never.
Thanks for watching till the end. This is just to show how powerful a mastering tools are. As for me, I like to extract stems and master them manually to get the best sound out of it. If you need any mastering for your masterpiece, drop into our Discord, meet the community of Apex artists, and let's have fun making music and AI arts. See you soon.